In this video, we will show how to default the 380 Synergy series indicator to its factory settings. This process requires us to be in the configuration menu. To enter configuration, first power down the indicator by pressing and holding the power button until the display shows off. Then release the button. Power up the scale by pressing and holding the power button once again. When the display lights up, quickly press the 0 button before the count up to 9 completes. We are now in the configuration or setup menu. Navigate to the default parameter by pressing down until we see config on the display. Then navigate to the left and the display will show default. Drop down under default and you will see the choice here is set to no. So we have to change it to yes by going to the right. Then press the down arrow and the display will show OK. At this point, we can go up to Setup. Then up one last time to save and exit, and in the process, default the indicator. Thank you for watching Scale Talk. If you have an idea for a future episode, please follow the contact information on your screen.